Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing the sky quickly so clouds sit believably. Mix a thin wash using ultramarine plus cerulean with white. Keep it more saturated up top and paler toward the horizon. Use a 1-inch flat to lay the gradient in long horizontal strokes. Work fast while paint is wet so transitions soften. Once done, let the wash settle for a minute and then mark rough cloud masses with a light diluted gray. This becomes your value map for building cloud form. Now you construct the cloud anatomy by blocking in midtones where volumes sit. Think lumps and clusters rather than rigid shapes. Apply rounded strokes with a round 6, then soften peripheral edges using a slightly damp soft brush to achieve that feathery transition. Add brighter mid-layer highlights with thicker paint and use glazing, thin transparent layers to suggest translucency under stronger light. Make sure to vary brush pressure and paint thickness, so some areas read airy while others hold weight. Finish by carving in bright highlights on the cloud tops with a small round brush and almost pure titanium white. These are the cues your eye uses to read light. Deepen shadows beneath with a cool mix, ultramarine plus a touch of burnt umber to anchor clouds. Once balanced, apply a thin overall glaze to unify temperature and step back frequently to judge contrast. If things look muddy, don't panic. Let layers dry. Then lift slightly with a damp brush or repaint thinly to restore airy edges. That single troubleshooting move often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.